Hello and welcome to the course How to Play Rook Endgames. In this lecture I will tell you what this course is about and what you will learn. As it is clear from the title, in this course I will teach you how to play Rook Endgames. Why did I focus on Rook Endgames? Because at least 50% of all endings are Rook Endgames. If you know how to play, what plan to apply, you will increase your chances to win the game. Of course, all Rook Endgames differ, but at the same time they have much in common. In this course we are going to analyze chess puzzles, where I will explain you how to apply a certain motif in a certain type of position. When you see the position, your first task is to estimate whether you or your opponent have advantage. And if you get advantage, you should think about your winning plan. It is very hard and sometimes impossible to calculate every line. That's why if you know how to play and what plan to realize, you should calculate only a few lines. In this course I demonstrate two types of positions that you should definitely know if you want to become a strong player. For example, do you know how to win in this position if you played for white? Or how to make a draw playing for black? And what about this position? Do you know a winning plan for white? Don't worry, I will teach you. What else you will see in this course? In each section I will teach you how to win a game using different motifs, such as occupying the 7th rank, using an open file or rank, how to play with or against passed pawns, how to use rook activity, and how to use pawn weaknesses. It doesn't mean that you will win every game when you meet such motifs. Of course, all depends on the position. But if position is about equal or you have slightly advantage, you will definitely achieve a positive result. After finishing this course, you may become an expert at rook endings and win more games even if position is equal. Thank you for your interest. Let's start to learn.